Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to download and install Netflix on your Android. First thing you do is open up your Play Store. So tap on the search bar, the icon at the bottom, tap on the search bar and type in Netflix. Tap on search, give it a few seconds. And then you can see I already have Netflix, but if you don't have, over here you see install. Over here you tap on the install to download it. After paying it for a few seconds, after downloading it, will automatically install. It's as simple as that. So for mine, I need to have disabled it, so I need to enable it. So over here what you see will be install is self-enable. So you tap on install again. I repeat, tap on install, tap on down, it will start downloading. From downloading, it will install it automatically. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.